Do you know why the steering wheel of a car is not mounted? What kind of operations are the employees doing now? This is the 6th production line in the final assembly workshop. This is where the steering column clamps the neutralizing antifreeze. Before clamping, you need to install a cover for the fuse box. Then install the front cover support rod to replace the snack support rod. Remove the negative electrode of the battery and power off the car. Then you can open the lids of alcohol cans and antifreeze cans in preparation for home. Next, let's take a look at how the original factory lives. Antifreeze. You need to scan the code before raising. Prepare for uploading annotation data. Then place the refill gun and press the start button. Take the cleaning liquid and put the filling gun into the filling port of the alcohol can and press the filling switch. When adding antifreeze, you need to vacuum first and keep it for a while for seal testing. After passing the sealing test, add antifreeze. Then the antifreeze is pressed into the cooling line. The pipes will fill up, then perform pressure detection. Continue to maintain pressure for a period of time to check the tightness of the cooling piping. The wind window cleaning liquid can be added directly. After the filling is completed, you can remove the cleaning liquid filling gun and antifreeze filling gun. Press the return button. The filling machine will automatically return to the application point of the filler for the next round of filling. Then tighten the antifreeze cap. Then install the air filter. The function of an air filter is to purify the air entering the engine. You need to install an air filter drip tube first. Take another intake seal cover. Then remove the dust cap of the intake pipe. Connect a hose to the crankcase. Then card the air filter. Connect the air filter to the turbocharged intake pipe. Then tighten the intake pipe cabroden. And then the steering column alignment. The purpose of steering column alignment is to find the end point of the steering column alignment, so as to ensure that the steering wheel will not be biased. The device will control the steering column and kill left and right to find the right finish. At this time, the brake disc will also rotate left and right. At the end of the run, a pair of ends will be marked on the steering column. Then comes the installation of the intake duct. You need to card the intake air duct to the front end frame first. Put a screw on the left and right to fix it. Install the intake duct connector. The purpose is to connect the air filter to the air duct. Then cover the intake duct. The middle buckle on the card. Just put on the fixing screws on both sides. Then install the inner panel of the back cover of the car. First, align the inner plate with the reserved hole and card it on the back cover rib. Install 2 more back cover brackets, base cover plates. The cover plate is mainly used for its aesthetic function. Then apply the 2 screws that fix the inner cover plate. The next step is to do the pedal force test. You need to put on the pedal force detection device first and press the start switch. The device will begin to test the brake pedal 5 times. Here we'll simulate different stampede methods. At the same time, record the force formation and angle of the pedal. The last push will also carry out a brake system seal test. At this time, the device will remain pushed for 10 seconds. To detect the failure of pedal force, after the test is completed, the test data will be uploaded and stored for 12 years. Then do P-2 electrical inspection. Before testing, you need to connect the negative electrode of the battery. Then use the charger to charge the battery. The purpose is to avoid battery loss caused by P-2 detection power consumption. Then connect the MFT electrical inspection device to the OBD plug under the meter. Activate a temporary switch to power up the car with 1 click on the street. At this time, the device will respond to the gearbox, headlight tire pressure, and ACC for inspection. Test and then match the vehicle key. The operator needs to stick the remote control key on the steering column sensing area. At this point, the vehicle will read the key information and match it with the body. Change the next key after matching. Then, install the front cover bracket buckle and the front cover sealing strip. After the 2 keys are matched, the inspection is completed. The sealing strip can block the airflow from entering the engine compartment between the front cover and the gaping mountain, forming wind noise. Then install the sink cover. You need to tighten and fix the cover along the slot on the edge of the windshield. And we put a soundproof pad next to the board. Then attach a sealing strip to the edge of the sink cover. He will fasten the sink cover plate to the rib at the edge of the sink. Then install the sealant strip and sink cover on the right. I won't show you too much here. Follow me in the next issue and then take you to understand the follow-up installation.